Good evening, guys. Shared my screen. Can you confirm you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. I think we are good to start. Uh, so, guys, so far, we covered two sessions. So, as part of the two sessions, I think we covered so many things. So, let me take first 10 minutes to recap all the things from your end, and then, we'll move further things, guys. Okay. Uh, yeah, the yesterday class notes I have sent today morning only. Sorry, I forgot to upload yesterday. Can you guys please check and let me know? You're able to see, right? Yeah, so double check. If not, yeah, please update me. Okay. But I remember, yeah, I have uploaded. Okay. Okay. So guys will quickly go through on it, and I need your extreme attention here because whatever the I covered, these are all, fundamentals. Okay. Then we'll go, further things today. Okay. So, 1 second. Yeah, 1 second. Wait. Oh, I have not forwarded video link. Is it
Yes, sir.
now today, guys? I'm asking. Is it not uploaded?
Yes, sir.
Let me check. Wait. Hey, it's uploaded. No, October 22. Yesterday's session was uploaded, right? Guys, please double check. Okay. Hey, 22 October. It's uploaded, man. See, Hema, it's uploaded. Okay, I'll check in the drive also. Wait, just to for double confirm. I'll check in on drive also. Wait. Mm, oh, you're right, buddy. Sorry, I missed that file. Sorry. I'll upload it today. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Hemanand, for confirming. So, guys, hope you are able to see the screen. So, let's get into this concept first. So, can anyone just unmute and tell me what do you understood the difference between MPA and SPA? The answers also fine for me. Go ahead, please. What do you understand the difference between single page application and multi-page application?
In MPA, we have multiple HTML pages.
So for each client request, a server has to render a new HTML page, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's what multi-page application. Okay, go ahead next.
SPA
In
means
SPA,
single page
single
application.
page HTML application will be shown.
With React only, we can make
Correct. So
SPA.
yeah, so in single page application, at server side only one page has developed, and whenever we make a request, so the entire page will be loaded at the browser side. So from second request onwards, it won't go to the server and won't ask for a new page. That's what SPA about. Okay. Let's go to the second question now. Guys, please participate. I could see Minesh and Namosh and Rohit only. Others, please, guys, try to participate. So, yeah, what are the SPA frameworks are available in the market?
React, Angular.
Mm,
Angular.
correct, correct. And yeah, what is need of React? Why you are learning it?
To make SPA.
Simple to develop a single page application. So, right. Yeah, the basic building block, if you see, yesterday I discussed no component. Okay, that's the basic building block of an React. So today I'll be deep dive into component. Okay, so this is about basic building block of a React is nothing but component. Right, and also guys, this is everyone clear, right? The fifth one, the React application flow. Guys, are able to recall this?
Yes, sir.
So why I mentioned index.html here?
Because it is in source. The
No. I should say this is the page
Main
output
page.
only.
main
Yeah,
page.
this is the first page output only we are seeing on the US screen. And how data is rendering into index.html?
Go
With
index
with index.js.
JavaScript.
Yeah, with index.js. And index.js, which component we are rendering?
App.js.
Correct, app component. So this is the flow. Okay, so guys, I was talking about this. This is your index.html file. Is there inside index in the public folder? There's an empty div. Okay, just to give the given ID, you can give any ID, and whatever the ID you given, the same ID, you have to provide here. Okay, and that DOM that we are fetching it, and with the DOM, for the DOM, we are painting this components.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
sir, while using this React, we not able to create another index file, sir, in public.
No. That's what the intention of SPI is. Only one HTML file will be there. You're not supposed to create one.
If we try to create, will show any error or something, sir?
No. We
Other
won't
component.
create it. The first thing is, we want to create it. Okay. We can create components and we can render that components into that index.html, but we're not supposed to create one more HTML page. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I understand your question. If we create, what will happen? But see, I haven't created so far. Okay. So that's what I don't know what will happen. Okay. As of my knowledge, only one page will be there. On top of it, we can create components and we can render them. Okay.
Okay,
If you want to
sir.
try, you can try, buddy. Okay. Yeah. So this is about, the application flow. And guys, this is also I explained yesterday. What is component in coding perspective only how explained. So yeah, what is component? Can anyone unmute and answer me? What is component?
It's a JavaScript piece of JavaScript code.
It is a
Mhm.
HTML code render via JavaScript.
Yes.
Correct. See, that's what I yesterday, right? Okay, a component is nothing but a HTML code. Okay, that we render via a JavaScript into the UI. That's the and how to create a component. We'll see quickly again one more time today. How to create a component? Sorry, how many ways we can create a component? My question is wrong. How many ways we can create a component? Two ways. What are they? What are they?
Function, class.
JavaScript function, class function.
Yeah, if we create a component by using functions, if we create a component by using function, that component is called as,
Function count.
yeah, don't forget this statement. It's called as something, a function component. And if we created a component by using class concept, then it is
Class component.
Component.
which one I am asking you to, use.
Functional.
Function
What is the reason? Maybe one reason you can tell. Hmm.
It will reduce the
Plenty of
lines of
code, right?
code.
If you do a class component, that's concept. Otherwise, full component, it won't take that much of code. With the code, we can finish. Rohit, your voice is, cracking, man. Okay, like a robot. Okay, sometimes, not every time, sometimes. Okay. I think my network was not stable. I think guys, now you are able to hear me, right? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me guys quickly how to create a functional component. What is the keyword I have to use it? Hey, I'm asking the code.
Function,
Function. Space.
function name,
Wait.
function name.
We'll go with this. We'll go with this way. Component name.
Component.
Then
Curly
empty
braces.
parenthesis, curly braces. And what should I write?
Return keyword,
Return.
parenthesis,
Yeah. In parenthesis, what should I write?
HTML code.
HTML tag.
Exactly. You should say just HTML tag. That's it. And we should write export default. Why we use export default?
We want to import that in another file.
We'll go with this export keyword
single
first. What export keyword will help? First, we'll discuss about export keyword.
It will give access to use in another file.
Nice. So if there is no export, this component will become a simple. Okay, it won't visible to outside this file. If you write export, we can use this component into another component. So that's what we can import it. Okay, here if and only if we export, then only we can import this component into component. Okay, when to use default?
In a module, you have only one function or one member.
Correct. If this is JavaScript file, okay, if you're declaring only one component or one function, then the default will be used. Okay, I think, yeah, you're good on this. Forget about the class component. I was not targeting this. Okay, maybe later point of I'll go with one example. So this is, I was discussing about this, point number 6. Now guys, I think point number 7 also clear everyone, right? How to create a functional component and how to use it. Right? Guys, tell me, how do I use it? This is something of creation, right? This is something of creation, right? How to use this component in
By
another
using
file?
tags.
Let's say, wait,
Oh.
let's say, what is the file name convention I explained yesterday?
.js.
No. What is the file naming convention?
Name should be
It
same
should
as
say
component
your
name.
component dot. Yes. How do I use into another component?
Import
Yeah, sir.
Input. Input. Component name.
component name from
From component
Mhm.
name.
component.
/ component.
Yeah, this is your file name actually. Okay, this is your file name. And then
Sir,
how can you
file
use
name
this?
should be small, sir. If the
Come No.
file name
That's what.
should be
No.
small.
Actually, that's what I explained yesterday. I did one mistake. So your file name, yeah, you can start with uppercase. Okay. Initially, I thought to given a single, but no. As per the app.js, right? If you see app.js, a capital letter, right? So the section we have to follow for our components also. Okay. Guys, one more point here. How do I use a component to another component? We imported it, but one line is there.
Component name.
Component name
By
tag.
tags.
Yeah, you should say so entire component you have to treat it as a tag. Okay, so I think this is also clear, everyone, right? Okay, so let's go back. Yeah, I think this is what I was talking about. Now, guys, 8th one, if you see, able to understand what is root component in React app. Tell me, guys, what is a root component in React app?
App.js.
Huh?
App.js.
App.js. Right, nice. Or you can say, app component. Okay. So guys, this is also clear, right? You're able to understand what is JSX. What is abbreviation of JSX?
JavaScript
JavaScript.
XML.
Okay, JavaScript and XML. So simply we can say AJAX is equal to how many languages code we are commonly writing? AJAX is
Combination
equal.
of HTML, JS, CSS code plus XML.
XML.
Correct. Can you come again, please? Come again.
HTML plus JavaScript
Hmm.
plus CSS plus XML.
Nice. So all the 4 languages you can write in a single file. That's AJAX. And yeah, what is the difference between XML and HTML? I'm asking this question. Any one of the point, if you remember, please.
In
Component.
HTML, they
XML
are
has all
predefined
tags.
Correct.
tags.
System
In
predefined.
XML,
XML has
we are
predefined tags.
creating tags.
Data description, data
Define.
description.
Right. Correct.
In XML, all the tags should be tags.
Nice.
Only
Okay.
tags.
Okay. So yeah, I think the 10th one, if you see the point, I think yesterday you remember, you can able to change a root component with other user-defined components. Guys, are able to recall? With app component with some whatever the component we created. Are able to recall this? Hey guys, root component is about app. So we replace this root component with some of my component. If you recall this code,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Header
initially it's an
and
app. Initially it is an app. So we commented it and we used the header tags. So yeah, that's what I was talking about. I think it's the point number 11. If you see, what is Node.js? Guys, tell me what is Node.js?
Servers.
server name.
It's a
Run
server,
front-end and back-end in a server.
right? It's a server. Correct. You're right. So a Node.js is a server which allow us to run JavaScript program at server side. I think all boys only joined. No one lady has joined today, I think. Is it true? Is it true? At least now you have to unmute. Is it true? Only boys has joined? Arey, I was, asking you guys, you have to participate here. Okay, I don't hear any, the voice. Okay, that's the reason I was asking. Okay, please guys participate. Okay, yeah, guys, tell me what is the difference in Node.js and NPM? What is Node.js and what is NPM?
Node.js is a server, NPM is a package manager.
NPM is module manager.
Yes, you should say it's a internal tool of Node.js server. So
It's
what is the use
server
of this?
manager.
Yeah. What is the purpose of this tool, like NPM tool?
To
What is its
upgrade
role?
and install.
To
Ah,
install
so
and
to-
uninstall.
Operations.
Correct. You can say install, uninstall, upgrade, downgrade to start the application. Right. So for all purposes, we use only one tool called NPM. Okay. And also this the 15th one. I think this also you're able to understand the directory structure. So let me ask you this question again. What is there inside the node models? What is there inside the node models?
All packages.
Ah,
Libraries.
correct. We should have libraries or dependencies. Okay. Now in public folder, what we generally keep in public folder?
Static file.
Static
Correct.
files.
Static, like your index.html. Okay, nice. Next in SRC, yeah, we'll keep all the files. But tell me guys, what is this index.js?
It is the first file running on the Node.js server.
Correct. Right, you're right. And what about this app.js?
Component.
Main component. Or
Yeah,
app
root component, or main component, you can say. Okay, what is there inside package.json?
Project configuration.
Yeah, it simply have, current project configuration. Okay, if you open it, you can see, guys, what is the name of our project. Okay, the initial version is, okay, and what is the dependencies that we were using it for the current project. And if you scroll down, yeah, I think if you remember this, that's enough, and yeah, here readme.file having some documentation. Guys, these are the files. If you have a knowledge, that's enough. Okay, you need not to go in depth of all the files. These files are enough to you to learn it. Okay, I'm assuming that this all concepts are crystal clear, everyone. So that I'll planning these concepts to you guys today. So first I'll go with how to return. Okay, how to return single HTML element and multiple HTML elements in a component. So I'll be discussing this, but before that, let me do the cleanup activity. Cleanup in the sense I was removing this footer.js. We practiced it yesterday, so I'll be deleting this, and yeah, I'll be deleting this header.js also. And yeah, if you go index.js, I'll be removing this entries as well. Okay, I'll be removing this entire entries as well, and do a save and go to your app.js and just write a message saying something, welcome to React app. Just save it. Okay, and yeah, I already have I'm running the code. Yeah, guys, you can see this is the output. Okay, so guys, what I was talking about here, if you see the point, yeah, this is explaining today. Able to understand how to return single HTML element or multiple HTML element. So guys, I'll be explaining here itself, that is quickly. See, I want to return one message. Okay, one message in HTML tag, guys. This is my requirement. Now, if you see carefully, observe the line number two. Line number two, how many HTML elements you are returning? One or many?
One.
One means, guys, you need not to go with parenthesis. You need not to go with parenthesis. Is that make sense? Is it make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll be putting, guys, the statement here quickly. So this is something, example one you can consider. So this is something, returning single HTML element, being something, single HTML element. The next, example I'll explain, that's we already discussed. I want to return something, multiple HTML elements. Guys, multiple means, multiple means group, right? Multiple means group. If it is a group, the step number one, we should add parenthesis. Okay. And step number two, you can use some group, elements. Hope you recall, we always use a div tag to group other tags. And also let me recall you this, div is a block level element, inline element.
Block level.
Block level.
So you remember inside this div, you can keep other divs also, right? And also you can write inline elements also. So always it's highly recommended to use div tag to combine, other HTML elements. So let's say I'll be writing first h1. That is something, welcome to React. Okay. And I'll be writing, one more tag saying something h2. That's something thanks for attending the session. Okay. Thanks for attending the session. Now, guys, if you see, there are not one HTML element, we have multiple HTML element. If you want to return multiple HTML elements, first write parenthesis and write one block level element. And inside this, you can group your HTML elements. This is what actually I was talking about. I think this is also crystal clear, everyone. How to return single HTML element and how to return multiple HTML element. Does that make sense? Please
Yes, sir.
confirm, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Let's jump to the next thing, guys. Able to understand what is landing page for a web application. Landing page for a web application. Okay, I'll be discussing what is landing page now. If I type www. If you type www. If I say bigbasket.com, one page will be opened, right? That page is called as landing page or home page. Okay. Now, if I type this, makemytrip.com, okay, you'll get one page, right? This also we can say landing page or a home page. So what I was talking about, guys, here, a landing page is a first page of the application, guys, which will be open when we type, the URL. So for a big basket, it is a landing, and for Make My Trip, this is also a landing, guys. I hope this terminology also clear, everyone. Now, in React point of view, guys, in React point of view, index.html is, a landing page. And in index.html, okay, we are rendering app.js, right? We are rendering app component, right? So this app component will be, guys, this app component will be, a landing component, we can say. Because index.html, guys, if you see in index.html, we are painting the data. Okay, in index.html, we are painting the data. We are painting the data by using this app component only. Right? This is the only data is printing inside this body. Correct? So that's what, guys, I'm saying. A landing page is nothing but your index.html is nothing but landing page for the React application. Does that make sense? What is my landing page? The first page which will be opened when you type in a website in URL, that's called a landing page. Make sense? Guys. Okay, nice. Now let's talk about the very, I think you're eagerly waiting for this as well. I think since yesterday. Okay, what is component in application perspective? Okay, what is component in application perspective? I was talking about the same concept, guys, now. Okay, so now you are in, guys, a big basket homepage, correct? Now you're in a big basket. Maybe I can take some painting for you. Yeah, this is the first page that whatever you're seeing it. 1 second, guys. Have some markings. Let's delete everything. Let's create a fresh page. This one. So, no, what I was talking about, I just now explained a term called landing page, right? A landing page, nothing but index.html, correct? Guys, everyone aligned? Guys,
Yes.
everyone aligned?
Yes.
Now I written something in red color right here. Guys, I given, some red color border here. This red color border is data is painting on index.html, correct? That's the reason, guys, I should say this is something, a app component. App component. A app component is a component which will be rendered. Okay, a app component is a component which will be rendered into the UI as a first element, guys. Okay, 1 second. Need some space. Wait, I need some space on the top. Wait. Okay. Let's give a box now. Okay. So what I was talking about, this is, I was saying, it's, an app component. 1 second, guys. This is my app component. This is my app component. Now let's talk about something, the remaining content, guys. Yeah, I was talking about the next remaining content with sky blue color. Hey guys, with sky blue color, I was making one more box. This is, guys, I should say a one more component, and the component name is header component, guys. Are you understand? Are able to understand why I'm considering it's a header component? Guys, are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because yesterday you remember, right? Through functions, I created two components. One is head and one is functional component. So guys, whatever the sky blue color I've written, this is something we can say header component only. Does that make sense, everyone? A component is nothing but a portion of a web page, guys. We can say a portion. We can say a portion. Now, if you see in header component, guys, if you see in a header component, maybe I can show you through code. Guys, maybe through code I can explain so that I'm sure easily you can understood. Okay, guys, my component means header component. Tell me through code how to create this component. Through code. Function.
Header.
Function means
Export.
Header,
function
parenthesis,
component.
flower
So
brackets.
okay, up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Now tell me, in this header component, left side, what is the first thing that you are seeing?
Logo.
Image.
Image, nothing but HTML tag, correct?
So,
Beside image, what you are able to see?
Search
input
bar.
Search
fields.
bar.
Input type equal to search,
Yes, sir.
right? Input type equal to search. Beside this input field, what you are able to see? One button. Okay, one button. That is, we can say location picker. Beside this,
Button.
one
Button.
more button. Beside this,
Form,
no, ma'am. It's
button.
also a button.
Dot.
Button. So repeat. What is big basket left side?
Image.
Image.
First you have a image. Okay, followed by
Search.
Input field.
input type equal to search.
Input type.
Guys,
Search bar.
today you are learning what is
Podcast.
component practically in every project. Okay. Yeah. Next case. What is there?
Button.
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 One button is there. The location picker. Next,
Button.
Login
sign up
button.
button is there. One more button is there.
Login.
Next, one more card button is there. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And one HTML element or many HTML elements?
Many.
Multiple.
So how do I group them? We just now learn.
Parentheses.
Opening
Ah.
brackets.
Right. Sir, open a div. Okay. And guys, I was writing plain HTML code here. I was writing plain HTML code. I think everyone, right? It won't bother anyone, right? So if you see, so I grouped them, and the sky blue color is there now. That's you can get an entire div. Now guys, what I need to do next?
Return.
Just
Keep
yeah.
it inside return.
Return in parenthesis. How to return this everything. Now you understood what is component in
Yes.
coding perspective and as well as application point of view.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Export.
So
We will not
for
export anything.
yeah. No. See, we just created a component. After this, what you need to do is, wait. I'll tell you that piece of also. Wait. So what is the file name? The file name is this one. Clear?
Yes.
Now, sky blue color, if you see carefully, sky blue color box. Sky blue color is a box, or you can imagine it's a div. The div is there on top of what?
Body, top of body.
No, a red
App
color box.
component.
Document.
No. In app.js, no.
App component.
So in app component, first we have to import it. Correct. In app.js, we have to import it. Guys, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, are you following? See, in app.component, we have to import this way. And there, yeah, there's a logic as written, right? There's a logic as written. So what is the logic as written? I'll write it here also, see. I'll write the logic also, see. Function name is somewhat app. Correct. Function name is app. This is also written this. And definitely this is also written multiple HTML elements. So I'll be using, parenthesis and insert it, guys. What I need to do? What I need to do? Correct. So first thing is you have to import the header component like this. You have to import like this. You have to declare it. And you remember in index.js, right? In index.js, we have to import app.js. I think hope you recall the yesterday code, right? So in index.js, we have to import the app.js, right? And that app.js case will be using as a tag. We will be using as a tag inside your index.js. And in index.html, right? In index.html, there's one empty div is created, right? With some ID, root, right? Root. And for that root, guys, for this root, we are painting this app. In an empty div is there. For the empty div, we are painting the app, not component. And inside this app, we are using the header component as the first component. Let's go back to our analysis. Guys, now I'll be using an orange color box. Guys, you have to tell me what is it now. I'm sure you can guess. What is it?
Navigation bar.
Yeah, you can say a nav component. Hey, you can name any component or nav component. Okay, so I'll be naming as a nav component or a link component. Anything you can use it. Now this is one more component. Now tell me what is there inside this component. First one is what? Drop down.
Drop-down.
Yes,
Drop
you're
down.
absolutely right. How to create drop down?
Using select.
Correct. Select an
Use
option
command.
tags beside the drop down.
Is
Beside the drop down, what is there?
Link.
Hey, beside the drop. Yes, it's a link. How to create a link? Which tag you have to use it?
Anchor tag.
Anchor tag.
Next,
It's also a
Link.
I have link only.
again anchor tag, link, anchor
Link.
tag, link, anchor tag, link, anchor tag. Again, patterns are there.
image.
Okay, some images are there. Sorry, 2 images are there. Yeah, you can consider 2 images. I'll repeat again. First one is what? In nav component. Drop down,
Drop down.
followed
Drop
by
down.
all links, and
And
followed by
then-
last 2 are images. Now, guys, is it difficult to create a one more file with nav component? And in nav component, we'll be writing function name is nav component, and we have to return whatever the sequence we discussed. After this step, what I need to do? After creating nav component, what is the next step I need to do?
Import inside app.js.
Nice. Here you have to import nav.js. And next, what is the next step?
Creating a function and returning the
No.
nav component.
Use the
no.
now tag
After
inside
your
the
header
return.
component, after your header component, what I need to declare?
Nav component.
Nav component.
Nav component.
Exactly. So guys, don't think that I was discussing entire React.js today, but this is on a high level. What is component? Now let's go a little bit down. Again, this is also what? Guess.
Buttons.
Yeah, I think guys, as per my understanding, yeah, these are also buttons, guys. They do some activities. Let me click on this buy more. Yeah, these are always links actually. No, I should not say they are buttons. They are link buttons, guys. All are link buttons. So I should create one more component with the name something link components. Clear?
Yes, sir.
How many anchor tags I have to create? Six.
Six.
That's it. Again, if you come to this, guys, again, if you come to this, are able to see some silver color background here? Are able to see some silver color background?
Yes, sir.
Now, the important thing is this is one div. Okay, this is one main div. This is one main div, and you can name it as PLP component. You can name it as PLP component, nothing but product listing page component. Product listing page component. And inside this component, it's a div no. It's a div no. Inside this component, you can create first child component, second child component, third child component, fourth child component. Like that, guys, you will create nested components also. That we'll be discussing, in upcoming sessions. But in application point of view, everyone has a context now what is component, and even coding perspective also. I think everyone have a knowledge on something, how to create component and how to use that component into the root component. Does that make sense,
Sir.
everyone? Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, without the expert, we cannot import. Sir.
Come again.
Without using export tag, we cannot import for that.
No, Kritik, I think, did you miss the module concept, Kritik?
Yes, sir.
Don't miss, guys. Just go and, get it done first. Because the words imports and exports, I have explained clearly in that chapter itself. Okay. Please complete it first. Okay. I think, guys, this is also clear, everyone, I believe. Guys, are we good? Are we good for the first 3 points?
Yes, sir.
First one is how to return single HTML element and multiple. And next, what is landing page? Nothing but your index.html. Now, what is component in application point of view? Guys, not skipping any notes here. So if you go to the React introduction part, so this is not the full notes. And tomorrow we'll get the full notes. Okay, but if you go to this, yeah, guys, here you can see, see what are the basic building blocks of React. So if you see, the first one is component. So this is what we practice since yesterday. So if you see, React apps built using components. So a component is like a JavaScript function. A component is like a JavaScript function that returns HTML, right? That return HTML to define a part of UI. I think, guys, this definition is crystal clear, everyone. Maybe I can keep this definition here for for every for everyone understanding. So I'll be keeping this definition here. Guys, I'll be keeping this definition here. What is component in red color? In red color, so you can see it. A component is like a JavaScript function. I think this is your clear, right? It's a function. Next, if you see that return HTML, nothing but JSX only. Yes, absolutely correct. No, it's returning JSX only. Guys, this portion you should not say HTML. Sorry, my bad. This portion you should not at all say HTML. This always you should say it's an a JSX. Okay, and if you see a part of the UI, what do you mean by part? That's what I was discussing, right? Header component is a part. Nav component is a one part, right? So that's the reason, guys. There's a definition of component. Does that make sense, everyone? What is definition of component? Please, guys, confirm quick.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and we do have props and states and a lot of things will be there in upcoming sessions. But I think these are all clear, everyone. Now, guys, we'll talk about the fourth point today. We'll talk about the fourth point today. That is something, able to understand how data is transferred from JavaScript to HTML. Hey, don't think, guys, it's tough. It's very simple, actually. Maybe I can go with one use case. Maybe I can go with one use case so that you can understand. I'll give you one example. So I'll give you one task also today. By end of the session, we can practice it. We can practice it. 1 second, guys. Need. Okay. I'll go with requirement from scratch. maybe I can use this coloring also today. Okay, I'll be using this coloring also. So I'll be writing here, welcome to my profile page. Guys, this is what I want to print. This is I want to print as it is with red color border, with red color text. Okay, with red color border, with red color text. I want to print by using app.js. Are you clear the first requirement? Hey, I want to print this message by using app.js. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I mean, and next, next my requirement is I want to create one more component with green color. Okay, with green color. So I'm keeping this name as well. The name is something profile guys. I'll be saying something profile.js. Guys, profile is nothing but one more my new component. I'll be creating it. Okay, so I need output this way. The output will be my ID. My ID is 101. Just listen carefully. I want to print this way. My ID is 1, and carefully observe. It's sky blue color. I was writing something. So next one is my name is Ram. Okay, my name is Ram, and my marital status is false. Okay, this is also clear, everyone. And then my hobbies are before that, my address is, we will go with this way. Yeah, my hobbies are dot. The first one is something singing. Okay, singing, and the next one is something cooking, guys. And next one is my address is my address is, let's say, hash 208. Okay, let's say Miapur city. Okay, and Hyderabad. This is what I want to print it, guys. Are you clear my requirement first? Guys, are you clear the requirement first?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sky blue color, I mentioned everything right here. The sky blue color, guys, whatever I mentioned, that is something, data inside this profile.js. How I'll be creating this data, you'll come to know now. So I'll be creating this everything from scratch. I'll be creating this from, everything from scratch. Even I can keep my image also. I'll keep that image later. Okay. So guys, first we'll fill up, tell me guys, first where I have to do the changes, in app.js or profile.js, where I have to do the change? Guys, correct. So first go to app.js. Okay. First go to app.js. And what is my requirement? My requirement is I was printing something, welcome to my profile page, right? So I'll be writing welcome to my profile page. So this is, I think, everyone clear. But what is my requirement, guys? My requirement will be that I have to print in red color.
Red
correct?
color.
So what I'll do now, this is div, right? For this div, I'll be giving a ID. Okay. The name is div1. Are you clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or I'll give something, app, guys. App, because it's an app component, no? So, or I can give you this app component div. I think this is won't bother everyone, right? It's an app component, and inside the app component, I have a div. This is the ID. Now, are you able to see left side? There's a file called app.css. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
go inside it. Go inside it, and you know this. You know this. Don't you know this?
No, sir.
Don't know. Hey,
Color
I selected
N-
ID, man.
No, sir.
I
Selected.
KNOW.
I selected ID. And what is our requirement? We have to give the text color
Color.
in red,
Red.
right? And let's guys verify it first. Let's verify this. Verify this, whether it is working or not, whether it is verifying it happen. No, I think, wait, I have to do the changes not here. Wait. how to do the changes in index.css. Sorry, my bad. Okay, how to do not in app.css, how to do app.js. That's also work, but in another use case. Guys, in app.cs also it will work. But yeah, if you want to see really in app.js, yeah, maybe I can paste it here. You have to import it, guys. Okay. Yeah, you have to import it this 1 second. Yeah, you have to import this way. Let's do import. App.css, how to do it. Yeah, guys, you can see. Now what I did now, I removed the, sorry, let's remove from here. Yeah, guys, so you are able to see, right? What I did now, app.js is nothing but your JavaScript function code, correct? Correct. Okay, and then if I go in app.css, I return my style, and in app.js, I imported it. Does that make sense? How it is working? Guys, does that make sense? Hello? Hey, it's external
Yes, sir.
CSS, man.
Yes, sir.
We use generally link tag, no link href. But here directly we can import it.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, I'll be adding one more CSS also there. Like the border. Let's go border. And the border I'm giving 2 pixel solid with red color only. Okay, let's go with this. Save it. And yeah, have a look, guys, here. Make sense? Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Guys, I think we are done with the app.js. Next, tell me what I need to do.
And profile.
Create a profile.
Yeah, guys, for your understanding, I'll be writing this as well. This is, we should say, a root component. Okay, this is we can say it's a root component, and whatever is there in the profile.js, this is, we can say, a child component. Okay, I think this terms also clear, everyone, right? This is your root component. Now, guys, you have to create a child component. After creating child component, you have to import this child component to root component. Make sense? What we need, what we were doing in the next 5 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me how to create the child component.
Create a profile.js.
Nice. You have to go to src. Okay. New file.
Profile
And then
files.
say profile.js. Go ahead.
Function.
Yeah, I should say function. Function name is something, profile, right? And since it is, a single member, we should say export default. Okay. Guys, this is what I was talking about this point. Line number 29 I'm talking about. Okay. Now, actually, we'll see, this one, my IDs. Tell me, guys, how do I print my IDs? How to print my IDs? Only my IDs I'm talking about. Return. Okay. Return. Then I'll be creating one main div. Okay. Okay. And inside it, I'll be creating a first paragraph. Yeah, I'll be taking, a first paragraph, and it is printing something, my ID is. Up to here, clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the sky blue color which I mentioned?
That
Data.
Data, right? What type of data it is? In JavaScript, I'm
Integer.
asking.
Number. Number type.
Now I'm creating a JavaScript variable with value 101. Am I clear? Line number 3. Am I clear? Line number 3.
Yes, sir.
Hey, it's nothing but inside a function you created a local variable. It's nothing but you created a one variable in local variable inside the function. Now, sir, how to print that ID here? How to print this ID here? Simple, guys. You have to interpolate. You have to interpolate. Interpolate nothing but we just use flower basis. Just use flower basis. This variable value automatically binding here. This is what I was talking about. If you see how data is transformed from JavaScript to HTML. Read it one more time. How data transform from JS to HTML. Line number 3 is JavaScript data. Line number 3 is JavaScript data. And line number 7 is you're painting that HTML JavaScript data into the HTML. Does that make sense? The statement now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, before we painting other data, okay, before we painting other data, let's quickly, how we can move this child component into the app component. Can you please help me quickly? Hey, I want to show this
App.js.
component into parent component. How should I?
Open
App.js.
app.js.
Okay, app.js.
Import.
Import profile from dot class profile.
Correct, correct. You should say import profile from profile. Okay. Next.
There we have
Creating
to
a
use
tag.
The profile tag inside div tag.
That entire
Profile tag.
profile you used as a tag, right?
tag.
Right. That's it, guys. Our work is done. Our work is done. Are able to see the output?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But what is your requirement? You want to print in which color?
Green and style.
Can you help me? How do I print the data in green color?
We have to give ID for
Get
div.
profile dot CSS file.
See, two ways you can do. One is you can create a a ID for it. So I'll be creating the ID something profile div. It's a profile and in a div. So I'm creating the ID profile div. So here, guys, you can give a style. You can give a style for two ways. One is you can create one more CSS file, or you can go use global CSS. This is actually we should say global CSS. Okay, any one of the approach you can follow, but better we were practicing individual component, right? So I'll be quickly creating one more external, the CSS file with the name profile.css, and I'll be selecting this ID, and our requirement is a text has to be printed in green color, and also we decided to make a border also, in green color itself. So 2 pixel solid with green color I was giving it. And what next I have to do?
Import this profile dot CSS file in our profile dot JS file.
Nice. So simply you have to import your profile, just profile.css. You have to import it. Let's run it and have a look. Working?
So for data, sky blue. No.
No. I'll come to the point. Up to here clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask you this question again. What is app.css? What is profile.css? Component level styles
Child component.
or no, I'm asking component level styles or global level styles?
Component
level.
level.
Component
For
level.
each component we created. What about index.css?
Global
Global
level.
level.
Let's try now. Don't you know this?
Yes, sir.
Selecting
What is it?
all.
You're
Selecting
selecting
all.
all component. You're selecting all components and you're giving margin and padding. Okay, let's have a look. Working?
Yes, sir.
Everyone makes sense? The global styles and component level styles? Guys,
Yes, sir.
so today, after this class, create a file with your name, Chanti. I mean, let's say your name is Lokesh. You can create, a lokesh.js and then create a lokesh.css and use that lokesh dot CS JavaScript component into app.component and render this data. So far I explained only number, right? Yeah, your requirement is you want to print in some green color, right? So that's also simple, man. Just what you need to do. Go to your profile. This ID you are printing, right? Move this ID data in a span. Okay, in a span, and go to your profile.css, and for all span, give a color, sky blue color for all spans. So wherever you use a span, that will be displayed in sky blue color. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Right. Guys, please don't forget to practice. If you want to sync with me from tomorrow onwards, definitely you have to practice it. So how I was creating a profile for, someone here, like, Ram, create your profile. Yeah, guys, let's, quickly finish the remaining things. So how do I print Ram and false? Can you help me? How do I print Ram?
Another paragraph.
No. First, create data. Create data. Next, let marital
Status.
status. Next.
Address.
Hey, hobbies,
Oh.
man.
Hobbies.
How to create hobbies?
Let hobbies
Hobbies. What should I write?
array.
Yes. Nice. So should say the first hobby is singing. I told you, when I was explaining in JavaScript, the arrays and objects are mandatory. I mean, very important. That will come to know the importance now. Next, address.
Address.
What is that? Address.
Object inside array.
Correct. Right. So first you can take, house number. Right. Let's say some 202 or whatever it is. Next. City. Okay. Yeah, I'll be taking something, value is Mayapur. Next, you have something,
State.
State. Yeah. State, let's say Hyderabad. Guys, let's, focus on how to print this data. So I will simply creating one more paragraph and I'll be writing my name is name. Just I was doing interpolation. See, name will be printed. Next, my marital status, right? Okay, I'll be writing as this. Marital status is, just say a variable name is marital status. In flower basis, you have to use it. And next, the interesting thing, hobbies are. So I'll be taking one paragraph. Okay, and I'll writing something on my hobbies are. Guys, this is interesting, and that you have to help me now. How to print this dots here? Hey, how to print dots here? Unordered list, right? So we'll take one UL, okay, and inside the UL, guys, you have to print this list of items. Guys, are able to recall or not? See, this is array, and I want to fetch element by element. How should I? Hey, man.
For loops, by using indexing.
If you have 100 elements,
Destructuring.
No.
Para.
Correct. Either you can use for loop or you can use. Hey, Vardhan, can you go mute? Vardhan, can you go mute? Okay. See, guys, I was discussing this. This is array. Okay, and I want to fetch element by element here. Okay, and I want to print them in unordered list. So that's my requirement actually. So if you recall, there's a concept called either you can use for loop or for each, right? Any one of them, guys, you can use it. Now, guys, I'll be showing you how to do that. So I open one unordered list. So in unordered list, how to print this list of item. So your array name is hobbies, right? Your array name is hobbies. Now, guys, tell me, UL open, UL close. UL open, UL close. This is HTML code or JavaScript code? Line number 20 and 22.
HTML.
Now, in between HTML, if you want to write JavaScript code, you have to use flower basis. I'll repeat, guys. Inside your HTML code, if you want to write JavaScript code, you have to use flower basis. Now your array name is hobbies. Okay, guys, here you can use any one of them, the functions. Hope you recall for each also, but I'll be using map. Okay, hope you use a map. So it is used to map, transform the elements. So map will take an argument as, map will take an argument as, callback. So they are hobbies, right? So it will take, each hobby, each hobby. I'll be taking, variable name is something in a hobby, variable name something in a hobby. And later on, guys, you have to use a arrow. And then, guys, you should do flower basis. Hope you recall this. Maybe I can write this code again. Okay. So
Yes.
you remember this syntax? This syntax, I think you
Yeah,
are able to
yes.
recall. PAF.
Arrow function.
PAF. So a small change, guys. What is F for?
Flower basis.
PAF.
Flower
Line
basis.
number
Flower
21 and line number 21, 23. Why you open flower basis?
To write
Write a
JavaScript.
JavaScript
write
code inside
JavaScript code
HTML
inside
tags.
Right. But sir, again you open a flower basis, right? This will become a messy. This will become a messy when you're writing the code, guys, here. So don't use flower basis. We know that we practiced in JavaScript, we how to use flower basis. But again, if you use flower basis, guys, that definitely it will become confused because you already open a flower basis to ensure your JavaScript code will be there inside your HTML. Again, if you write flower basis, it will become messy. So you have to write parenthesis, guys. This parenthesis is treating as treated as flower basis only. Don't get confused here. Okay. Now, guys, if you see here, each hobby will come. Okay, each hobby will come, and that hobby, guys, that hobby inside it, I am printing by using a tag called something, li. The each hobby I'll be printing by using one li. See, guys, this is your unordered list, and you written this li inside the map, right? So this map is executed n times, and that n is nothing but size of this hobbies. So your size is hobby is 2 now. So 2 times this map function gets, and 2 LIs will be created. First time li, first hobby will, second time li, second hobby will be printed. Just have a quick output, guys, you can see it. So if you have 2 elements will be printed in unordered list. Is that make sense or is it, guys, confusing? I'm happy to explain one more time also if you're not clear. I'm happy to explain one more time if you're not clear, because from tomorrow onwards, almost in all programs, I'll be using map whenever it is array. Okay. One more time. You're good?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
understand.
Okay, nice. So maybe for my sake, I'll explain again. See, first you printed hobbies are. Okay, first you printed hobbies are. Next, how many hobbies are there in array? That each element I have to print in unordered list. So you can open unordered list, but here LIs has to be come dynamically, right? You should not hard code. I need 2 LIs, 3 LIs. They will come, automatically, like how many elements are there in array. So for the reason, I'll taking array name dot map, array name dot, and I'll explain clearly what is PAF syntax here. And this parenthesis is optional because it's in a single parameter. Okay. And yeah, you should not use flower basis strictly because again, it will become a messy. Always you have to use parenthesis. But when you write parenthesis, internally it converts as flower base only. Don't get confused. And yet I'll be writing each li. So this li is, dynamically generated. Like how many elements are there in a hobbies? So in hobbies, let's say 10 LIs will be created. And each hobby I was interpolating in flower basis. So that's what the output. And if you're not seeing this output in sky blue, just go to your profile.cs. Beside the span, just write a UL, nothing but your UL elements also, you decided to print in sky blue color, right? So see, these elements also in sky blue color. Make sense?
And the status is
Okay. Let's get into, guys, the last one. The last one is something, the address. Maybe I need your help here. Okay, maybe I need your help. Printing my address is. My address is. Tell me, guys, how do I print the house number first? Hey, you can get. How do I print the house number? Hey, you practiced, man. This. Now let's go with individual. I want to print individually. Hey, I want to print individually, man. Maybe I'll take you one paragraph. No.
Address
Let's see.
dot
Just open a paragraph. In flower basis, say address dot
home number, address
house number.
dot city,
Correct.
address dot
Again, address
state.
dot city, and put a comma, again, address dot
State.
state. So if you want to print them in, a next line, yeah, you can use BR, but still guys, BR you should open and close because it's, XML way of, writing the code. So you should, open and close mandatory. And but here we have a one solution. We can do self-close also like this. Okay, we can do self-close it like this. Inside the same tag itself, we can add the slash. Or if, yeah, I think that's all, my requirement. So guys, I'm done with my requirement. So the red color box you are able to see, right? That's, app component. And this green color one, which I've written something, it's a child component. Now see how this, the child components will be painting into the parent component. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Guys, are you able to understand this point as well? Can you please read it? Anyone, please read it.
Able
How to?
understand how to
How to?
render.
Array into you are using map function.
Are we practice this?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
are we practice
Yes,
this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another position.
Right, we take an array hobbies, right? And we painted it, right? Guys, you remember we practiced so many things in JavaScript. So take any one of object and try to paint by using your React. And this portion I'll discuss tomorrow, guys. Array of objects. Array of objects. How to paint array of objects into the UI using map function. I'll be discussing today. Guys, please practice map. Please practice map. Take simple array. Okay, take simple array and print that array elements into UI by using this syntax, guys. Anyhow, I'll be giving you this code base also. Yeah, I'll be taking example 3 and I'll upload all the files here. Okay, that's all for today. Tomorrow, guys, we'll see the continuation. Any queries?
False doesn't.
Yes.
False doesn't kill. Miracle status false doesn't kill.
Oh, is it? Wait. 1 second. Acha, maybe some logic has need to be read. Sorry. Maybe I think that portion I was missed. Okay, no worry. I'll check and I'll let you know. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Bye, guys. I think good night, everyone. Okay. Yeah, I'll upload it, guys. I'll upload yesterday and today notes. Maybe after 1 hour. Not now. Okay. Yeah. Thanks. Bye.